Hey, what's up mga ka-health mga ka-WWE? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this episode, we're gonna unbox or unpack Ric Flair action figure. So, before that, like, share, and subscribe, and always push the notification button so you'll be updated with my collections, health services, and life motivation. And we all know that Ric Flair is a part of the evolution. So later I will show you my evolution, Randy Orton, Triple H, and Batista action figure also. I've completed it, mga ka-health. And later I will tell you some of Ric Flair's highlight, mga ka-health. So let's go and try to unbox this, mga ka-health. So here we go, mga ka-health. We have here Randy Orton, Batista, and the Triple H action figure. And then to complete, my Ric Flair action figure, mga ka-health. So let's try to open this one, mga ka-health. And Ric Flair, also known as Richard Morgan Flair, his real name, was born February 25, 1949. Okay, he was an American retired professional wrestler, also a journalist, and the greatest professional wrestler of all time. Wow. His career spanned for 50 years from 1972 until 2022 and now 2023. Oh, 51 years in the making, mga ka-health. Okay, his ring name was the Black Scorpion. Oh, wow, solid, mga ka-health. Wow. What a nice. For me, it is detailed, mga ka-health. Okay, here's the back. Okay. Wow. And then, his ring name was Black Scorpion or the Nature Boy, Ric Flair. Woo! And then he had 10 years with JCP or Jim Crockett Promotions. Okay. From WCW to WWE to TNA or Total Nonstop Action Wrestling. Okay. So it is movable and joints. Okay, very tight joints. Wow, what a nice. In red trunks. Okay. So he joined the WrestleMania 1992 with the main event after winning that year's Royal Rumble. So he's also a 1992 Royal Rumble winner. Okay. So he's the Wrestler of the Year 6 times by PWI and 8 times Wrestling Observer newsletter. So he's also a 2-time WWE Hall of Fame inductee and member of the Four Horsemen. Okay. Four Horsemen. Okay, named Randy Orton, Batista, Triple H, and Ric Flair to complete or the evolution, mga ka-health. So, and member of NWA Hall of Fame and Professional Wrestling Hall of Fame. He's a 16-time World Champion, mga ka-health. And he's tied with I know John Cena. Okay, he's also a 16-time World Champion for the WWE, mga ka-health. So, okay. He's an 8-time NWA World Heavyweight Champion and 6-time WCW World Heavyweight Champion. What a nice career for Ric Flair. Okay. But he claimed that he was a 21-time World Champion, mga ka-health. Okay. And he's the first holder of WCW World Heavyweight Championship, a WCW Triple Crown, first person to complete, and WWE's Intercontinental, WWF Championship, and World Tag Team Championship. So many achievements for the Nature Boy, Ric Flair. And We all know that her daughter, Charlotte Flair, also in the WWE, and also has a good career. Okay. Okay, so I have completed my evolution. Randy Orton, Ric Flair, Batista, and the game. Triple H. Very nice, mga ka-Heltab. So there you have it, mga ka-Heltab. I've already completed the evolution. Randy Orton, the Viper, Triple H. Okay, the game. The Animal, Batista. And then our episode for today, the Nature Boy. Woo! Ric Flair. Okay, mga ka-Heltab. So let us now try to proceed with our shoutout portion. Of course, say hi to Pike Toxic Papa Jack and Mr. Rightly Bright by Bro Rapi Miranda. Oops Galaxy by Bro Alexi. To my brother, Silver Boy Altamirano with his Saber Moto Parts and Accessories. And Aqua Saber Water Refilling Station. Okay. To my friend, Bro Gelson with his Triple Hobbies or Triple H YouTube channel. And there you have it, my social media accounts. And my 3 best-selling products, of course. Stay healthy with Chocobambam. Aray no more with Stingray Therapeutic Spray. And take care of your eyes with Drop It Naturals. So, try to adjust. And then you see the Nature Boy, Ric Flair. Action figure. Okay, mga ka-Heltab. Okay, very nice. Detailed, mga ka-Heltab, for me. So, until next time with our YouTube video, always remember, never say die, whatever it takes. Take care and God bless. Woo!